Today's idioms and their origins, we are looking at almighty gold or the almighty dollar. Its definition, the almighty dollar is a satirical obsession with wealth. It implies that money is some sort of deity that is meant to be worshipped. And this goes back to 1616 in England, where the first time we see it in print is with poet Ben Jonson, who wrote, quote, "Whilst that for which all virtue now is sold, and almost every vice almighty gold." Now, the dollar version comes from the American Washington Irving, in which he writes in 1837 in The Magnolias, the Creole Village, quote, "The almighty dollar, that great object of universal devotion throughout our land, seems to have no genuine devotees in this peculiar village." Now, we do have other very famous authors who also write about the almighty dollar, including penning the phrase with Charles Dickens, Edward Bulwer Lytton. Remember that It Was a Dark and Stormy Night fame? By the way, I do have that also on the channel here as well. And another famous one is Ozzy Osbourne on his Black Rain album when he sings about the almighty dollar.